How to monetize your videos on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can monetize your videos on Vimeo. It is very simple. You can always monetize the videos you've made, the videos you've imported, the videos you've created, make use of Vimeo. And how do you do so? Once you are logged in into your account, go to the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, you'll see some options like settings, dark mode, watch, more, etc. So just go ahead and click on settings. By clicking on settings, you'll be brought to your settings page. Once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen, then you scroll down until you can see the option do more. So under the do more option, you can see upload, you can see organize videos, view analytics, then you can see sell your videos. So click on sell your videos. And so by clicking on sell your videos, we brought to the page that would enable you to sell your videos. So for now, you can see the information which is that video on demand is not currently available. So the platform whereby you can use to sell your videos is Video OTT. So just go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be redirected to Video OTT. And yeah, the next step will be for you to create an OTT platform. So ensure you create one. After creating one, follow the prompts, and then you'll be able to sell your video by making use of this platform. So you can see how it is. So this is how it works. Alright, this is how you can sell your videos. You can monetize your videos on Vimeo. Thank you for watching, and go make money on Vimeo today.